In our last classes, we have learned some basic skills about R. Number one, how to create a working directory, how to create WD working directory. We have learned about packages, what are packages, and how to install and activate or turn on packages. Packages are actually machine device which we can use for different purpose, different analysis. We already have learned about what is the difference between package and function. What is the difference between package and function? So our mobile phone is a package. We have learned this in our previous class. Mobile phone is a package. And the work which you can done by using your mobile phone are its functions. For example, you can take picture, you can make a call, you can calculate, you can play games. So all these are function of your mobile phone. Similarly, R have packages and each package have many functions. No, our task is today we will work on basic plots, how we create some basic plots in R. But our objective is how to read, write, edit, and generate code. So in our basic classes, we will work on reading, writing, editing, and generating. Because R is the programming language. So first we need to work on its reading and writing. Similarly, if you want to learn English language, the first focus should be on your basic steps, how to read and how to write. Similarly, R is also a programming language. So first we must give focus on its reading and writing. But our practice was for creating a plot. Create point plot, create point plot on ficus data. In this plot, x-axis equal petal underscore length and y-axis equal sepal underscore width. Here is our task. Today task is create point plot on ficus dataset, and its x-axis should have petal length and y-axis have sepal width. But our objective of today class is how to read and how to write. We will work on these two skills today. Our focus is not a plot. Our focus is the reading and writing. Okay. So when you want to perform any task, two questions should be arise in your mind. First question, which package will be used? Will be used for plot. For point plot, its answer is we can use ggplot2. This is the machine name, package name. We can use this machine to draw a plot. Second question, we need to confirm. Second question, check its availability. So to check its availability, we need to focus on screen number 4. So please all participant come on screen number 4. Please all participant come on screen number 4. Click on Packages button. Click on Packages button and search here in search bar ggplot2 and confirm your answer is yes or no. So in my case, my answer is yes. There are two possible answers. Your answer may be yes or your answer may be no. So my answer is yes. So please all participants confirm your answer is yes or no. My answer is yes. Because we already have installed in our yesterday class. That's why our answer is yes. No. If your answer is yes, then you will do library. You will turn on this machine. Turn on this package, this machine, and then we will work. So to turn on this machine, we will use a word hash, we will use a word library, library, and give name ggplot. It will give you suggestion. Select ggplot2, click anywhere in this line and press run button. When you press run button, it will show you two changes. One, same line appear in screen number 2 and a tick mark will appear in screen number 4 with ggplot2. Okay, Hamid Khan, please open your mic. Hamid Khan, please open your mic.
Yeah. Yes, sir, I'm hearing. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I am hearing you. Please, let me know your answer is no. You don't have ggplot2?
Yeah, exactly. I don't know where it gone. I've installed it, but
Okay.
now it
Please come on screen number 4. Click
yeah,
on
I go
packages.
there.
In screen, there are multiple options: file, plots, package. Click on packages.
Uh,
Click on packages,
okay.
and then click on search
Oh, I
box.
have it. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I got it. Got it. Sorry.
Okay. Now we have activate this machine. We have turned on this machine. So ggplot2 is package, is a machine, is a tool, and library mean turn on. Now we have learned two vocabulary word, two word of our language. One is hashtag and second is library. So these are the two words of our language. Hashtag mean heading and library mean turn on or activate. So please note library mean activate. When you want to turn on any package, you need to do library. And if your package is inactive, you are unable to, you are, if your package is inactive, you are unable to do work on this package. Similarly, you have a mobile phone and you want to make a call, but your mobile phone is off. You are unable to do call. You are unable to make a call. Similarly, ggplot2 is a package. When you want to use, first you need to turn on this package, turn on this machine. Okay, now next step is which function of this ggplot2 we will use for creating a plot. If you click on ggplot2, please come on screen number 4, click on ggplot2. Here is a list of functions which you can use for creating a which can use for different purpose. Similarly, as in your mobile phone, when you turn on your mobile phone, you can see a lot of icons are found there. But if your supervisor say, please make a call, If your supervisor say make a call, you need to focus on your dialer. If your supervisor say please call, you will focus on dialer. If you are,
Question.
yes, please.
How would we know that the ggplot2 is running or like activated?
Yes. If you get same line in screen number 2, I have run a line number 26 and same line
Uh-huh.
appear in blue color in screen number 2. It means your package is activated now. Okay. And another point, if you click on screen number 4, it shows you a tick mark with ggplot2. For example, if I untick, no, it is deactivated. No, ggplot2 is inactive. If I run this line again, no, you can check tick mark appeared again. It's mean no, our package is activated and we can use it for our task. Clear?
Yeah, clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. If your supervisor say please take picture, you may focus on camera. If your supervisor say please do some calculation, you may focus on calculator. If your supervisor talk about time or date, you may focus on calendar. So it's mean we need different functions for different tasks. Mobile phone is package and its icon or its function. Similarly, ggplot2 is the package. And here is a list of all functions which you can use by using ggplot2. Now our next question is, there are so many functions. For example, aesthetic AES to, if you move downward, lot of functions are found. So we need a function. For example, your supervisor say please draw plot. We need a function which help us to draw a plot. Similarly, when your supervisor say please take a picture, you need to open camera. If you open calculator, you are unable to take picture, although your mobile phone is same. If you open your, if your supervisor say please take, please calculate some amount, and you open camera, then you are unable to calculation. So when you need accurate function. So in ggplot2 we can use two functions. First is qplot, second is ggplot. It is not a ggplot2. ggplot2 is the package name. Qplot and ggplot its function. We can use these two functions for creating a plot. Similarly, when your supervisor say please make a call, your mobile phone is a package, your WhatsApp or dialer is the function. You can use anyone. No, confirm these functions are found in our ggplot2 package. If you search, yes, here is Q. Yes, now you can check in my screen. Qplot. Qplot means quick plot, and other is ggplot. Here is ggplot. Create a new plot. So we can use these two functions. Although some other functions are available, but these two are most popular and important functions. Okay. No. We want to use Q. So please first we need to understand what is the difference between qplot and ggplot. When we will use qplot and when we use ggplot. Qplot means quick plot. Quick plot. Second, quick plot, and grammar of graphics. Grammar of graphics plot. Quick plot will give you immediate plot. If you need a plot just within a few minutes or seconds, you need urgent plot. Gives you urgent plot. But it's not urgent, take time. Q plot, if your supervisor say just give a rough plot, create a plot, I want to check its value, then you can use Q plot. It will give you a low quality plot. But ggplot, because here grammar of graphics involved, it will give you high quality plot. High quality plot with more options, more traits, more feature of this plot. Okay, now first we will work on qplot. Here I also want to add an example, simple example. For example, you want to take picture. First, you need to turn on your mobile phone. If you want to take picture, so first step is turn on mobile. Second step, open camera, and then you are able to take picture. Similarly, in R, no, we want to create a plot by using qplot. So first we need to turn on, our task is plot, need to turn on ggplot2 because we want to use this machine. Second, need to open qplot function, and then we able to draw plot. Same working. Okay, how open function? To turn on ggplot2, we can use our library ggplot2. We have turned on this package. Now we want to open a function qplot. So to open a function qplot, just type here, please all participant, now do practice with me. Type qplot, qpl. When you type qpl, please type qpl. It will give you suggestions. Here is qplot, and here is a detail or complete formula of this function, or you can say it's journal script. Now ignore yellow box, click on blue box qplot. When you click on qplot, it will give you qplot word and two brackets, one opening bracket and second is closing bracket. Please all participant open this function and type done. Now my function is successfully open. Done. Please confirm, have you opened your function? If not, please let me know. If you are unable to open function, please let me know. I will assist you. If you have opened successfully, type done. Okay, now here is our task. We want to use, here is above our task. Create a point plot. Here is our task. Okay, before creating a plot, one thing more which you need to understand. When you want to draw any plot, you need three things. When you want to draw any plot, you need three things. First is data, second is mapping, and third is geometry. Mapping, data, mapping, geom. Geom in geometry. Data, we already have data set named ficus. Here is our data set. Ficus in screen number 3. Second thing we need mapping. What is mapping? Mapping means define x and y axis. Which variable you want to take on x axis and which variable you want to place on y axis. So define x and y axis. So before creating a plot, you must have data and have defined x and y axis. Third is geom. Geom in type of graph. Geom in type of, geom is also our language word. It's mean types of graph. Which type of graph you want to create in R? Type of graph. No, we already have these three things. We have data set named ficus. We already have defined pattern length, x-axis and y-axis, and we already have defined type of graph, point plot. So point plot is geom. Here is our mapping, and here is our data set ficus data. Now click within this bracket, type data. When you type data, it will give you suggestion. So select first one. In suggestion, first is function name and other is package name. Data equal qplot. When you click data equal, it will give you equal sign. No, our data name is ficus. So give your data name, comma. We have given one, we have applied data. We have done one step. No, second step, mapping. Define mapping. So to define mapping, type x equal petal length, sepal length. What is sepal length and petal length? If you check your data set, click on screen number 3, ficus file. There are 5 variables. First is petal width, petal length, sepal width, sepal length, and species. So petal underscore width, it is the variable name. Underscore is also included in this variable name. So first name is petal. Here is the petal underscore length. X-axis should be petal length should be on x-axis. Petal length, petal underscore length on x-axis. Y equal sepal underscore length. Y equal sepal underscore length. Petal length on x-axis and sepal length on y-axis. Again comma. Now we have done two things. Data mapping. Next is geom, geometry. Define type of graph. Give comma and type geom. Select geom. Now within inverted comma define point. We want to create a point plot, so define point. Now we have write a script, basic script for creating a point plot. No, we have write. So our today class objective is how to write and how to read. Now we have done writing. Now we need to read this script. This script show that we want to use a point plot by using qplot function. Our data set is ficus and in plot on x-axis sepal length, petal length, and on y-axis petal sepal length. In x-axis petal length and in y-axis sepal length, and plot is point plot. So you can explain by reading this script which type of plot you will get after running this line. It show that we will get a point plot. On x-axis will be petal length and y-axis sepal length. Okay, no, hopefully you have write this script. No, just click within this line. Some participant may select. My suggestion, don't select. Just click in this line. Click anywhere in this line and press run button. Press run button. Here is the run button. When you press run button, it will give you results in screen number 2. So we have learned in our initial stages, initial classes, when you run any script in screen number 1, it will give you maybe three possible answers. Maybe its answer on screen number 2, maybe its answer is screen number 3, maybe its answer is screen number 4. No, or give me the answer in screen number 2. I get an error. So error message, error in geom point. In my case, I am getting an error message. So please all participants confirm me. Have you get a plot or error message? Please confirm. Error or plot? Miss Hajra Ashraf, please confirm. You get a error or plot? Okay. Now at basic stage, you can get 3 to 4 possible errors. Error number 1. Package not found. Package, there should be a package name in blank. Package not found. You may also get an error, function not found. Function not found. There should be a function name. For example, function qplot not found. Or there may be a package ggplot2 not found. Third type of error you may face, object not found. There should be a name of object not found. And fourth, unexpected symbol. You may get 4 type of errors at basic stages or at basic analysis. One, you may get package not found. Second, function not found, object not found, and unexpected symbol. No, come on screen number 4. Now our next task is how to read and resolve errors. First step is how to read and resolve errors. Now come on screen number 2. In my case, Please first read and understand this error. Find where is issue. Error in geom point, problem while computing aesthetic. Error occurred in the first layer. This line is not for you and not for me. It's for our programming. There is another heading caused by error. This error is for us, for you, for me. We must focus on caused by error. And read this line. Caused by error show that object petal length not found. So our error is third type. First is package not found. Second is function not found. Third is object not found. Here is object not found. So our error is object petal length not found. So please confirm me. Object not found. In my case, error is object. Please all participant. Okay, Abid Hussain, I will share your screen, don't worry. Please all participant confirm you are getting or facing object error, unexpected symbol. Okay. Okay, so, errors are different types. But all these errors are related to these four steps, four errors. First error, show that you don't have package. It's mean issue in installation. How to resolve? Install package. Okay. For example, if it show you package ggplot not found. So first you need to install this package. Install package and then try again. If you get an error function not found, it's mean your package is inactive. How to resolve? Do library. If you get a message function not found, it's mean your package is inactive. Activate this package. To resolve this issue, do library and run it again. It will work. If you get an object not found, it's mean issue in our data. Issue in data file. If you get an error unexpected symbol, there may be a chance you have typed wrong comma, bracket, wrong plus or minus sign, or anything, or you have given any wrong symbol. No, our error is object not found. So first we need to understand where object not found. What is mean by object? Object mean our data, ficus. It show that object petal length not found. In our data set, we have a variable named petal length, but are saying there is no petal length variable in our data set. No. How to resolve this error? How to resolve this issue? First, confirm error is petal length. Petal length variable found in our data set or not? Available or not available in our data. First confirm. So to confirm, open your ficus file and check variable petal width. Second is petal length. Yes. So my answer is yes. Petal length is found. Second step, you need to check its spelling. Second step, confirm its spelling. So here is the petal underscore length length and match with your data set. Petal underscore length. Spelling are also correct. So my answer is yes, spellings are correct. Third step, check small or capital letter because R is very sensitive for spelling and upper or lowercase letter. Here is our script. Petal P is small, length L is also small, and in our data set P is capital, L is small, but in our script P is small. So our answer is no. Upper and lowercase letter are not same, so we need to do changing. P should be capital because P is capital in our data set. If P is small in your data set, you can use small. If P is capital in your data set, you can use capital P. Capital P. And run this line again. No, it is again showing me error. But error is different. No, it's showing me object sepal length not found. It's mean again issue in data. We need to confirm sepal length found in our data set. Open ficus file. Sepal length. Yes, found. Check spelling. Spellings are also same. Check upper or lowercase letter. In sepal S is small, S is capital. But in our script S is small. So give S capital. Sepal length. No, run it again. No, we have resolved our issue. Now I get a plot. Okay, please all participant try this and let me know have you done or not. If you have any issue still not getting a plot, please I am going to allow you. You can share your screen. Please all participant. First Abid Hussain, please open your mic. Abid Hussain, please open your mic or share your screen. I have
Yes, sir.
please share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Dr. Sun, please try to write. I will share you other scripts, but today type manually. When you type it manually, you may do many errors. So when you make errors, it is the exact point for learning. When you get error, you will learn more. So try to write because today task is writing, reading and writing. When we will work on editing, then I will send you complete script. You just need to editing. Okay, so please try to write, and if you are getting any error, let me know. I will share your screen. Okay, yes, please share again. Abid Hussain, please share
Yeah.
your screen again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sharing. Okay, it is showing you a geom not found. It's mean
Yeah.
you have typed wrong
Yes.
function of geom because you have typed geom minus. It is not a minus, it is geom equal.
Equal to. Is it?
Yes,
Okay.
equal. If you remove, please remove geom equal point. Please first remove.
Out.
Please remove
Okay. First
geom.
remove.
Yes, remove geom
Okay.
till geom. Yes, also remove geom. Yes, but okay,
Okay.
okay. No type geom. It will give you suggestion.
Okay.
Type geom
Okay.
and stop. Yes,
Got.
here is first. Select first one.
Okay.
Yes. No, its function is working. No, in within inverted comma, type
Point.
point and run.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now next participant is Hamid Khan. Hamid Khan, please share your screen. Abid Hussain, please close your screen. And other participant, if you have done, please type done. If you have any issue, please share your screen. I will resolve your issue. Hamid Khan, please share your screen.
Is it visible?
Yes, you have done. But
Yeah, but
the issue
I
the issue
guess
is
I am.
the issue is there is no closing bracket after point. That's why you are facing unexpected symbol after inverted comma. After inverted comma.
Yeah. Point. Yeah.
No. After inverted comma, please.
Oh, okay.
Yes. No, run this line.
Later, I guess it's again showing the error.
Unexpected symbol. Again, run line number 1. Click in line number 1. Please first click in line number 1.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yes, it's working now.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Successful.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have done this plot and have learned how to write, how to read, and how to resolve issues or errors. Now your supervisor say, please. Okay, first right click on this plot. Right click, it will show you save image as copy image. Click on copy image, open WhatsApp group, and share within WhatsApp group and send message. Okay, Rajesh, please open your mic. Dr. Rajesh, please open your mic.
Yeah, so I would like to
Yes.
know that here we
Yes.
write the data.
Yes,
So
data
do
mean,
we need to write data always here, or we can
yes.
put any word?
Here we need to define data mean which type of file we want to use. So data is the heading. Data equal ficus. It's mean we want to use ficus dataset. If you have your own dataset, give your data name. For example, you have your dataset like your data file, your Excel file name is 2005. Here is your file name. You can use data equal to 005. It is your file name. It defines your file
Okay.
name. While point
So
mean type of graph. Which type of graph you want to make? For example, if you want to draw a line plot, type here line and run. It will give you line plot.
okay.
You can make editing in this script.
Sir, actually, you said that data, it is just a, hello?
Yes, I am.
You write 2005, but first we need to import the Excel file of the 2005.
Yes, first we have Excel file in R. No, we have only
Yeah,
one file. No, we only have one file named ficus. So we can work on ficus.
Ficus.
If you want to work on another file, first you need to import this file in R. Then you able to do editing or working on this data. Okay.
And sir, how to save this file? Can you repeat again, please?
How to save this file? Okay. How to copy this file? Right click.
Yes, yes. The picture image.
Yes, copy image. Open WhatsApp group and paste and share and send.
Okay. And what? Okay. And what other
Sir,
instead of line, it's in the point
We
you
we will
mentioned the
we
line.
will we
What
are
other points
please we are working on this step by step, please. But our today task was reading and writing. Our
Okay.
focus is not a plot. We will, although we are practice on plot, but our main focus how to read and write, how to resolve errors. Okay, and we do practice for multiple plots, for many plots. Okay, now if your supervisor say, please,
sir, I have a question.
yes, you can ask
I have
question.
one question.
Yes.
If there are a lot of files on the alt study on the screen third,
Yes.
that means we need to click on that file.
No,
For example,
you
I
don't
need
need
to
to.
plot on a particular
You
file.
you
So
don't you don't need to click. You just define
just
in
write the name.
script. Yes, define your file name. Bas.
Oh, okay.
It will automatically pick defined file. Okay, now if your supervisor say all points are in black color, and I want to know uh, the name of this highest point and also the lowest point. We have three species in our data set. If you check your ficus file, there are three species, S1, S2, and S3. So here sepal length and petal length defined, but there is no any definition or any label for S1, S2, S3. So this point belong to S1, S2, or S3. We are unable to define. Your supervisor say, please define which point is belong to S1, which point belong to S2, which point belong to S3. So first define. So to define, give comma and type color equal. So we can define based on color. Color equal species. S is capital in species. If you check in your data set, for species column, S is capital. We want to add color based on species. Click and run. Now you can check legend list and plot with colors. Now we can define the lowest value for S1 and the highest value for S3. Right click, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. And type done. Type done.
Sir, I have one question more.
Yes,
Can I?
yes, you can ask.
Sir, actually, just we are plotting the graph. That's okay. We are just to write the context of this, like QP plot and other things. Same things, for example, other softwares like Origin and other things. Just we have the file. We can copy that data and plot there. So what is the difference?
Yes. In other tools, you have limited options. For example, you want to draw a point plot, you need to use already built-in functions. Please let me know, are you hearing me? Okay. The difference is that in other tools, options are limited, already built-in options. You need to select and work. But in R, you can define each and everything. For example, if you need different shapes, right-click here, apply shape. So the size
Sir, your
equal
screen is invisible. Your screen is invisible.
species. Okay, let me share again. No visible.
No, sir.
I think there may be some issue. I think no visible. No visible?
So recording has started, but screen is invisible.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, I think there may be a connection issue. Okay, I
Yeah,
will.
it's now. It's now okay.
Working
It's
now.
now okay.
Okay. No, you can check. I have applied size equals species. It give me a plot based on different size. So you can apply each and everything which you have in your mind. But in other tools which have built-in options, you can only use limited options which are available in your software. For example, if you can check, I am showing you some apps. And my Zoom page is visible for you. Please, one participant, open your mic. Abid Hussain, please
Yeah,
open
your
mic.
page is
Yes,
visible, sir.
please.
Yes,
Yeah,
Zoom
it's
screen.
visible, sir.
Okay. No, you can check. There are some built-in functions. You can only use these built-in functions. You are restricted to use this one. Okay. But in R, you are not restricted. You can use anything which you have in your mind. For example, you want to change hair shapes. You need shape. You want to add shapes. Different shape. You can add different shape. You can add different color. You can add change its theme. You can do each and everything which you have in mind and you want to apply in your graph in simple. But in other tools, you are restricted. You are not do anything which are not in built-in functions. Okay, clear?
Sir, there is an updated version of the origin. There is an updated version of the origin. We can change the color. We can change the shape of the different points.
Yes.
So why I'm saying, for example, here in our language, we need to write everything. But there just we need to copy and plot there. Then we can change the color, shape,
Yes,
and
you
of the
can, you
objects.
can, you
And
can,
the points.
yes, you can do changes by self without any default by restricted options. Here are the basic script. When you move to some other tools, some other advanced steps, you may see you can apply not limited tools. In MATLAB or other tools, you are limited for specific analysis. But in R, you have more than 10 lakh functions. If you click on plot, package ggplot2, you can apply all these things. You can notice how many things are available for just one plot. You can apply all these things in plots, and each function have some more sub functions.